Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be working on a beautiful butterfly cake. First off, we ice down this cake in ocean blue and then we begin to scrape the excess icing. We first smooth the top and then we take a scraper and then scrape the excess icing from the side of the cake. Remember, if you have any dips, you could just fill that in with some more icing and then smooth that out. Now we begin to clean the top of our board as we go, so we don't have such a mess to clean up afterward, because we're working with pure white butterflies, so we need to be careful. So now we're taking off some excess icing from the top of our cake, and then there's something I usually do. I always mark the front of my cake so I know exactly where to focus on. So now that I've done that, I'm going to make one last sweep over this cake to ensure that we're ready for the butterflies. Now let's make the waves on the cake. So gently, you just turn your turntable and you move your hand up down in that motion gently on the cake. So if you want more depth, you could press in your scraper, but if you don't want as much, then just hold it lightly. Now we're adding a little bit of sprinkles to our cake to make it pop more. Now making our butterflies, we have our template, our wafer paper, and then some wafer paper glue, or you could use edible gum. Now we just cut around the template to give us the shape of the butterfly. We attach a flourished wire to that, and then we bend the two pieces in the middle and stick them together with some edible glue. It's a very simple design and a simple butterfly. So when you stick them together, immediately they actually just hold their shape already, but we want them to dry and maintain this shape. So we're going to stick our floral wire right in and let that dry. And to make this process seamless, we're using a piece of fondant to hold up the butterflies until they dry. Now adding some gold leaf pieces to it to create the center, and our butterflies are that ready. Let's let them dry for a couple of minutes. Now when placing our butterflies, for a design like this, the placement of your accessories plays such a key role. The accessories have to be placed carefully with some calculation, but if you make a mistake, don't be scared. You can just take the butterflies off, or whatever accessory you're using, you can just take that off and start all over again. But to avoid all of that, you need to be careful when placing them. Place them accurately so you have the beautiful design that you want in the end. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, and if this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button. You're welcome to the family. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.